question I get asked a lot is what's the difference between a Windsor knot and a half-Windsor knot? So today I'm going to show you. Very simply, a Windsor knot first, broad side of the tie, fingertip length, wide over narrow, and then once around the left, tuck it under, once around the right, then once around the front, swap hands up the back and down the front. Now this is a very fine silk tie, so it gives you a very fine knot. If you have a knitted tie or a chunkier tie, it will give you a much fatter knot. But as you can see, that gives you a very nice Windsor knot. So that's your full Windsor or double Windsor knot. And just for the sake of speed, I have another tie waiting, and this one is the half Windsor. Again, it's the same fineness of silk, half Windsor, fingertip length. So instead of going around both sides, we just go around the left hand side. So around the left, then under, around the front, up the back, and down the front. So you'll notice the half Windsor is less symmetrical, looks more like a 4-in-hand knot, but it's a smaller and less symmetrical knot. But that is the difference between the full Windsor and the half Windsor.